Hi, I'm Rachel Jones. I'm a Policy and Campaigns Officer with RNIB Cymru, and it's been really great coming up here to Bangor to meet people from North Wales Society of the Blind and a representative from Arriva buses to talk about the many issues that people with sight loss have in accessing buses. We know that public transport is a vital part of everyday life for people with sight loss. We can't drive, we have to rely on public transport. So it's really important to say some of the issues that we have, some of the barriers that we have with every stage of the journey, from finding the timetable, finding the right bus stop, getting on the right bus, being able to know where we are on the bus, being able to get off, know we're at the right place. So there's so many issues. It's really important to talk these through, and it's really great that Arriva are listening to us and they are committed to making some changes. So we're going to keep continuing the conversation, and I hope to come up and collaborate as much as possible with anyone who's interested in using buses. And hopefully we'll have some great things come out of it.